With budget caps, you can enter how many hours you would like to schedule for each week or day, and how much you'd like to spend to keep you on track when planning your rotas. To set your budget caps, click the cog icon to access your settings. From the menu on the left, select Budget and Labour Forecasting, and at the top of the page, click Budget Caps. Scroll down to find the week you'd like to add figures for, then enter your weekly number of hours. This will then be divided by 7 and show under each day of the week. Next, add how much you would like to spend for the week. If there are days you need to schedule more or fewer hours for, or would like to spend more or less on, you can simply click the day and enter the preferred amount. Once you've entered your figures, you can go to your rotas page and toggle your view of budget caps on and off here. When the view is enabled, green or red arrows will show beside your hours and costs for the week and each day, and state how much you are over or under your entered budget figures. These will update as you add, amend, or delete shifts.